Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum is a legit product or a scam one. And apart from that, I would like to inform you all that this is not a product, guys. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? Apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the amazing picture of this Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum, and it is an age defying and deep hydration face serum that helps in moisturizing and reducing fine lines from your face. So this is a face serum which is an excellent face protection cream or serum, you can say. So it is made with natural ingredients guys, including vitamin C and peptide complex, which is the stable form of vitamin C. And talking about the other information, so let's check out the specifications of this product. So guys, you can see the price of this serum is $62 and it comes in the size of 30 ml or 1.02 fl. And talking about the specifications, so guys, let's take a look at the specifications. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So guys, it is cruelty free. Apart from that, it is lightweight face serum that can make your face flawless and shine. It is made with natural ingredients including vitamin C and peptide complex that gives extreme protection from pollutants and dirt, guys. And talking about other information, so yes, this serum is deeply hydrating serum which is packed with extraordinary benefits from Vitabrid CG, which is a stabilized form of vitamin C, guys. Now let's talk about the pros of this amazing product. So guys, this is a quick absorbing face serum that deeply hydrates your skin, and it comes with various benefits from Vitabrid CG, gives bright and even complexion to your skin. Apart from that, the natural and effective ingredients promotes collagen production in your skin, which helps in maintaining firm skin texture. So this is an amazing benefit of this product. And apart from that, it damages effects of free radicals due to UV exposure, stress, pollution and repair signs of aging. And this face serum is suitable for all skin types, guys, so you can give it a try as this is a legit face serum. Apart from that, talking about the legitimacy of this product, guys, so the product's official website domain age is 11th of July 2012. So this is the important factor that can define a product's legitimacy or a website's legitimacy. And talking about Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum reviews, guys, we have found positive reviews or 4.9 rating out of 5 on the official website and on other platforms as well. So this face serum is available on other e-commerce portals as well, which is a positive sign that defines its legitimacy, guys. And one of the customers said, "We absolutely love this serum. I don't know why it's not on the top vitamin C serums list on the official websites or other platforms. Nobody knows about this awesome serum. Glad we found it." So this was a positive comment by a verified users, and you can take a look at the review section, which is 4.9 rating out of 5. And most of the customers have wrote positive feedbacks about this ultimate face serum. And guys, the product's official website has social media presence on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, which also define the legitimacy of the product's official website and the product as well. So yes, we highly recommend you that you can check out the information of this product and you can give it a try. You can order this product for the best results as well. And yes, do proper research before making any decision. So guys, this product is a legit product And if you have a money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Guys, I request you all to share your experience with this product because it will help other customers and users. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.